It's not easy. Somebody help me, please. Literally just sat on it and this is the date. Clark it, Umuna Clark it.
The world outside is waiting wide with secrets that we've yet to find. The road ahead, it seems so grand, a story that will soon expand. We'll leave behind the daily grind, the worries that have been unkind. Underneath the open sky, our adventure's about to fly. The sun will rise on brand new days as we walk along these ancient ways. The wind will sing a gentle song, guiding us where we belong. Let's go far away together.
Naya, where's the remote? Please let me reduce the volume a little bit and just leave an intro for my video. Hi guys, how are you doing? Hi everyone, welcome to today's vlog. I hope you have fun watching. Okay, and don't forget to leave your comments in the comments section down below and let me know how you enjoyed today's vlog. Let me know what your highlight was, what you felt was the most interesting part of the vlog. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and to all my new subscribers, countdown to 100k. Clark it, Umuna Clark it. Okay, so we're on our way to 100k and I'm over the moon. Guys, let's do this. Just 8k more to go and we'll be getting that silver play button. I'm so excited. I know you can tell, right? And so a big shout out to all my new subscribers. I love you. And I am trying to work on something to make me come back to live streaming. I want to be doing so much live streaming this period that I'll literally wake up from bed, grab my camera and take you guys along with me the whole day. Would you like that, huh? All right. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Bye. Guys, see my new glasses I just got. See, I literally just sat on it and broke it. My husband can't see this thing. I better go and hide it. Baby, if you're seeing this, sorry, I'm sure you must have already found out that I've broken and replaced it. This is not even funny. I have not even used it at all. See, I was doing content. I literally just sat on it mistakenly. And the thing came undone. I'm still struggling to even get used to it, and then see. Hi guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday. I've been feeling a little down lately. I'm having cold. I had toothache. My eyes have been giving me serious issues. My glasses are new. I just talked about it when I got it. And for some reason, I was shooting content the other day. I think it's somewhere in this video. And I actually sat down on top of the glasses. So I went out to get somebody to buy another frame, which was painful because this frame was practically a new frame and I had barely worn it, but the guy was calling 7,000 naira for frames that I know would have cost maybe 3,500 or 4,000, and I wouldn't have had a problem with buying it. The problem was that we were not getting a perfect fit for my frame. He wanted me to shave my frame and it was going to be a lot of shaving. And I don't know, optometrists in the house can tell us. I think if too much of the glasses is shaved away, it affects the optics of, I don't know, does that make sense? Because I know, in these glasses, some parts are curved, some parts, I don't know if I'm making sense, but I'm an overthinker. So anyway, So I didn't mind him shaving it if it was very little, but I wanted us to at least try. He had lots of glasses, but lacked the patience. Like, he lacked the patience to just take a few minutes to help me find what I want. He was, immediately I got there, was trying to force one black, frame. And I told him I don't want black. And then he said, what's they wrong with black? Take black. And I told him, you won't tell me what to take. I said I don't want black. Like, that should be on period, you know. Like, seriously, I just discovered that my mic, was not connected. So I don't know, is there any difference in the audio? So he was literally almost bullying me to take, and I said, no, I don't want black. And he got upset and did not really want to search for any glasses. He would tell me, go front. I no get, go front. Then he called me back later, let me check, so then the ones he was giving me were children's frames. They were too, I even wore one. It was falling out of my face when I bent down, So I said, clearly, this thing is not my size. So he got upset. He said 7,000. I told him, let me give him 5,500. He said no. So I just walked away. I walked away knowing that I might not get another place to get another frame. And I needed it desperately because my eyes are so bad now that if I don't wear my frame for like one full day, I have the worst aches ever. My whole eyes ache. It was bad. So, I left him and went somewhere else. And this other person, an elderly man, was so nice. He didn't have as much frame as that guy, but had what that other guy did not have. Good customer service and patience. Do you know what he did? As soon as I showed him glasses, he just told me, these are cat eyes. I don't have it. And my mind, I was like, oh, my sister, please, are you sure? My eyes hurt so badly, He now said, no worry, I could help you fix them. That was because the way the glasses pulled, it was clear that it could be fixed. I don't know if that makes sense. It just pulled out. It pulled out. So if I met somebody who had a good head on their shoulders and knew what they were doing, they could definitely have fixed it. So when the guy said it, I was like, sir, are you sure you can fix it? He said, yes, he can. How much will you collect? He said, 1,000 naira. I was like, you serious? And that was it. Too. I even left him fixing it. I went to do something else. By the time I came, he had fixed it, left it for me. I said, do you take transfers? Because I just had 1,000 naira. He said, he was wondering, I'm holding 1,000. One man saying if he takes, I said, I want to give you more than 1,000 because he doesn't really know what he did for me. He was like, no, ma, it's okay, just 1,000. I felt so touched. Like it was quite an experience. Some business owners need to do better. So, sorry guys for deviating and giving you the long story. So today is Sunday rice on the fire. Let me show you guys. This is Sunday rice. The stew just warmed in the microwave. Let me show you what I'm doing here. I'm trying to make, it's been a while I made kunoaya. So see, this is the aya. I'm soaking it. Guys, please, those of you who know a lot about this kunoaya, is it true that these small, tiny ones have more milk than the big ones? I don't know, but that's what the guy told me. And I believed him. And this is the debino or date. This is date. I'm trying to deseed it so that I can. So this is it. These are the seeds. I still have, see what I have. This is coconut. These are coconuts. I think I'll just heat these on the fire and then, So guys, that's what's up. Moms, how are you guys preparing for the holidays? I think the holidays just started and my kids have not even stayed at home for 2 days. Like, I'm already tired. I literally just locked them in the room and put TV for them to watch, What are you guys, what do you guys have scheduled or planned for the holiday season? Like, summer activities? Are they traveling? Are you registering them for summer lessons or summer school or what? Mama, it's not easy. It's not easy. Somebody help me, please. Okay, guys, so I'm ranting too much. I don't want to make this video so long. I just wanted to update. Then, have I shown you guys this? So, like you guys know, this is I talked about this when I did an unboxing. But this thing, it has been acting very funny. Today it will come up. It's very hot. Today it will come up and it would iron the kids' clothes. The whole of last week, the kids went to it literally on ironed uniform. I'll say on iron because partially iron, because when I got so frustrated, I had to use this. Let me show you. This is our old iron. And see, the thing had literally come undone. It's just been held together by some wires. So I would use this. This was how I ironed their clothes last week because this one decided to act up, the steamer. So the way this one works is that it's literally a steamer. It's the steaming that does the ironing. You understand? So what I was doing when the steamer part was not working was I would heat it up and use this part to try and rub, so hot, to try and rub against the uniform, but it just was not working. When you finish, put in your best effort, the thing will still look so rumpled. So out of frustration, I had to do this. Those of us who went to Madonna University, this was what we used because we were not allowed gas or electric. We didn't have electricity in our room, so we would buy sport irons. They were even selling them. My rice is burning. So we'll get sport irons like this and just heat them on the fire. You can see how here is from heating it on the fire. We'll heat them on the fire and then use it to press the clothes. So that was what I did for the kids' uniform, last week, and it was not funny. So today I just decided to try this one out. I clean out the water tank because when I Googled, they said sometimes dirt could clog the water, where the water goes in, It's a very tiny nozzle inside. I don't know if it's visible. There's a very tiny nozzle inside. So if that part is clogged, it makes it a lot harder for the water to come out. So I just cleaned out the tank and plugged it, and I was surprised though. Let me show you guys. It worked really well. Oh yeah, let's plug it. You switch it on and you can see the green light. It just shows that it's heating up. Then I'll wait a few seconds. It's really hot. Very hot. I'll wait a few seconds. Once the green light goes off, it's ready to use. So the light has gone off. Now see. Can you guys see the heat that's coming on? I don't know if you can see. Can see that? I even use it to steam my face. That is really, really hot. So, I don't know why it acts up, but today now the thing is working. So, I don't know. I'll just watch it and see what the issue is. Let me assume that is the tank. Something is blocking the nozzle inside the tank. And the funny aspect is that the way the tank is built, there's no way to even remove this thing and clean the nozzle inside. It's sealed. See, this is how it is. This is how the tank is. So, you just open here and you put the water inside. So I had to wash with soap and, shake thoroughly. It's not even funny, guys. Let's enjoy it while it lasts. Seriously, why are you not? I've not found the spot. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my talk, rant, whatever this is. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Give my glasses. Absolutely. Give my glasses. Don't touch the face of the glasses. Just the hand.
98 to 120. It's been a book of